Welcome to this channel. Without wasting your time, in this video, I'll be teaching you what you need to know about Binance strategy trading landing page. Automated cryptocurrency trading on Binance can be generating steady and passive income for you and your family. Please, if at the end of this video you find it very helpful and useful to you, subscribe to the channel to help me grow the channel faster. Hit the notification bell so that you can be receiving or you can be getting notification of my new video. Without wasting time, let's dive in. How to use Binance strategy trading landing page. Binance strategy trading landing page aggregates grid trading, total weighted average price trading, VP algorithmic trading, and other automated algorithmic trading features. The new landing page provides users with a comprehensive display of spot and future grid trading strategy, along with their performance and popularity among users, while allowing traders to quickly replicate their parameters. Now, there's a new landing page for strategy trading in Binance, and the advantage of this new landing page is that it displays a comprehensive display of sports grid automated trading strategy and future grid trading strategy. Now, along with their performance, the way they are performing, how each strategy is performing, and their popularity among users, how many users are using them, then allowing us to quickly, with a click away, copy their parameters without having to do any coding, copy their parameters and start using it. Now, how do you access the new strategy landing page, strategy trading landing page in Binance? The first thing is you log into your account, and if you don't have account, please create a new account on Binance Exchange and verify that new account. We have video on how to create a new account on Binance and how to verify the new account created. The link to the two videos will be in the description of this video. So if you have done that, log into your account, over your cursor over trade, put over your cursor or move your cursor over trade and click on strategy trading. Click on strategy trading. This is the new landing page for strategy trading, Binance strategy trading. You can see the active strategy, the strategies that are active now, 46,498 active strategy. Now the total value is 89,848,121.93. It's massive. It's massive. Now, what features does trading strategy landing page provide? What are the features that this landing page is providing to us? Binance provides a quick access to a range of automated trading strategy via the strategy landing page, which includes sports grid, feature grid, total weighted average price, and VP algorithmic trading boards. Like what we are saying is that this is the sports grid. It's providing us with this. These are different strategies. It's providing us. Now, this is the future grids, different strategies. If you want to view more, you click on more. If you want to click on view more, and a lot of that. Now, how do we visualize grid trading strategy, their performance and popularity via strategy pool section? The strategy pool section features a top grid trading strategy on Binance for spot and futures. That is what we are looking at. This is what we're saying. Now, allowing users to replicate the corresponding parameter for their trading strategy. Like, if I want to use this GMTB USD, if I want to use this strategy now, I'll just click on use this parameter and I'll start using the parameter. Now, a user can use filter to display a specific panel of grid trading strategy. They can display their corresponding ROI, that is return on investment, their profit or loss or popularity, and they can replicate their corresponding parameter to create a similar grid trading strategy. Now we have a lot of filters. You can filter here if it is the future, if it is the grid, if it is sports grid or feature grid. Now, the market, you can select your market, that is the market that you want. You can select the market that you want. The time running, you can choose if it is less than 1 day, 1 or 2 days, 2 to 7 days, this 15 to 30 days. The ROI, the return on investment, maybe you want 20 to 50% ROI, the zone, you can reset it. So let's just apply a beta. Let's say, let me find GM. Yeah, let's use this. And we have the running time. Let's say 2 to 7 days. The ROU, let's get greedy a bit, 20 to 50%. Let's return. You can see we don't have anything on that. So let's change it to between to 30 days. Let's return. We don't have. Let's reset it. So this one is running over a year. It's running over a year. Okay. Let's let's say all. They have a running time of 7 to 2 days. And they have this ROU, high. Then let's filter. So here you can see we have in the all market we running for 2 to 7 days. RO high 20 to 50%. And we can see we have DO, we have Dodge BUSD, Dodge USDT, Dodge USDT, Dodge BTC, Dodge BUSD. Don't forget we are filtering for sports grid. So now this sports grid now, see here, you see the user popularity. 4 users have used this strategy. The return on investment ROI 44.12%. This is the profit and loss. Then this is the time that is running, 4 days, 22 hours, 28 minutes. Now, if you want to use the parameter, just click on use parameter. As you can see, you are using a share parameter to create your order due to difference in market condition. These parameters are not guaranteed. These are just normal money. So you can see. So what you just do is just the coin that you want to invest. Let's say I want to invest 100 BUSD. So and let's say everything is not okay. Trigger price. This is advanced option. If you want to, if you are knowledgeable about it, you can do. But if you are not that knowledgeable, you can leave it the way it is. So stop loss to calculate everything for you, and then if everything is normal, you can see that it's insufficient for. If not that it is insufficient for, so just give it to me, create, and it will be applied to my spot trading immediately. It will be applied to my spot trading immediately. So that is for spot trading. So now let's go to features grid. So for features grid, we want in all market 2 to 7 days, 20 to 50% ROI in all zones. Let's filter it. You can see we have 1000 Shy USDT perpetual, Ether USDT perpetual, like that. At least we have a lot of markets here. So the same thing you have, you can see the popularity is 0, the return on investment 49%, so on. Profit and loss, it's running for 3 days. This and so. Let's look at okay. Let's go for a lower ROI as feature. Maybe you can get those that are a bit popular. You can see this one is just one popular. Let's go down a bit also, 5 to 10%. Let's search for it. Still don't have one that are popular. Let's choose zone. Or because most of these ones they are in the long time. Let's choose the one that is greater than 30 days. Choose let's increase our ROI. Let's filter. You can see we don't have the one that is popular. Let's go down to 10 to 20% ROI. We don't have those that are popular. So these are trade of the professionals. Let's filter this. trade of the professionals. Trade of the professionals. So that's that. So like that, you can see the running time. The direction is short. This one is long. This one direction is short, long. This one is that it's in a sell market. Sell. This one is in a buy market. Neutral can do sell or both sell and buy. So you see the popularity zero, the return on investment, all this there. So if you want to use the parameter, just copy the parameter. Copy the parameter. So and how much you want to use to trade you. So how much you want to use to trade and every other thing. So before so if you have insufficient balance, just create and use. So that is the video on how to use Binance strategy trading landing page. By the time we will go deep on this, we'll have the video that will be more deeper, that will explain more and more how to use this training. This one is just to get us familiar, to introduce to us what strategy, the Binance strategy trading landing page is all about, and what you can achieve with it. So if you watched this video to this end, we say thank you. And if the video is very useful to you, please like it and share it with your family and friends. Share it on your social medias. Help us to spread the word. So and comment on the video, and if you have any question, put it on the comment section. Also, if you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notification whenever we release our new video. And the link to the strategy trading landing page will be in the description of this video. And anytime you want to you want to go on the strategy trading landing page, you can click on the link and you'll be rest assured that the link you are clicking is the right link. Thank you.